Ray Gricar was not an ordinary missing person. He was a powerful prosecutor, and he vanished without warning. On April 15, 2005, Ray Gricar, the Attorney General of Center County, Pennsylvania, disappeared under circumstances so strange that even investigators admitted they were left with more questions than answers. Nearly 2 decades later, his disappearance remains unsolved. Ray Gricar was known as intelligent, private, and methodical. He had served as a district attorney for over 2 decades and was involved in several high-profile investigations. Despite his public role, those close to him described him as intensely private, especially about his personal life. On the day he disappeared, Ray told his girlfriend he planned to take a drive to clear his head. He said he was going to the nearby town of Lewisburg, Pennsylvania. He never returned. Later that evening, his girlfriend reported him missing when she could not reach him. His cell phone was turned off. His car was eventually located parked near the Susquehanna River in Lewisburg. Inside the vehicle were his car keys, wallet, and other personal belongings. Ray himself was nowhere to be found. What immediately stood out to investigators was what was missing. Ray's laptop computer and external hard drive were gone. This was highly unusual, as Ray was known to carry sensitive information related to his work. Police searched the surrounding area extensively. Dive teams combed the river. Helicopters scanned the shoreline. Foot searches covered nearby trails and wooded areas. No trace of Ray was found. Shortly after his disappearance, investigators discovered that Ray had destroyed his laptop weeks earlier. According to reports, he had removed the hard drive and damaged the computer beyond repair. The hard drive was never recovered. This discovery raised serious questions. Why would a seasoned prosecutor destroy his own laptop? What information did it contain? And why did that behavior occur so close to his disappearance? Despite widespread speculation, authorities have never confirmed that Ray's disappearance was connected to any case he was working on. No evidence of foul play was ever established. No suicide note was found. No witnesses came forward. In the years following his disappearance, Ray was declared legally dead. The official ruling on his cause of death remains undetermined. Some believe Ray took his own life, citing the proximity of the river and the lack of evidence pointing elsewhere. Others argue that his disappearance was staged, possibly to protect himself or someone else. A third theory suggests foul play, though no proof has ever supported it. What makes this case so disturbing is the absence of mistakes. Ray did not leave behind a trail. He did not reach out to anyone. He did not explain his intentions. Everything stopped at once. Even experienced investigators admitted the case was unusually clean. No body, no digital trail, no closure. Ray Gricar vanished at a time when he held knowledge that could have impacted powerful people. Whether that knowledge played a role remains unknown. Nearly 20 years later, his disappearance continues to raise uncomfortable questions about secrecy, power, and what happens when someone who knows too much simply disappears. How does a man with a structured life, a career built on logic and evidence, walk away without leaving anything behind? Was his disappearance a personal decision, or was it influenced by something far larger? If you have a theory about what really happened to Ray Gricar, share it in the comments. And if you want more real unsolved disappearances like this, subscribe for the next case.